Hello friends, my name is Jen and welcome to my channel. I do videos about fashion and unboxings and I would love it if you would subscribe and like this video. Okay, that's not how I really talk. Okay, so hi, welcome. Today we are doing an Amazon Prime wardrobe style service, stylist, whatever unboxing. And I would like to note for the record that I did get a stylist note when I went to pick out my items online. So, am I convinced that it's a person then? No, I'm still, Amazon's very, very smart. So, they still could have easily generated a stylist note. And part of it, my stuff was ignored. So, I put in there, I wanted outfits and what else did I put in there? I wanted some jackets, I think. I said I wanted some outfits with jackets because I just love, I've just been really obsessed with jackets recently, in case you guys haven't noticed that. And so the stylist note said something about jackets, but didn't say anything about the fact that I asked for like fully head-to-toe styled outfits. But I tried, in what I picked out, I tried for it to be fully styled outfits myself. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. Everything comes individually wrapped, so I'm going to do a lot of jump cuts here as I unwrap stuff. So here we go. Okay, piece number one. This is by Guess, and it is just a long sleeve shirt, but what makes it unique is that little ring here, and then that little keyhole. Oh, it's on the side. I kept thinking I was holding it wrong. Okay. It's on the side. Unique color. It's kind of brownish pinkish almost. I don't even know what you call that color. So super cute though. I like it. Next up we have a jacket. This is by Jack by BB Dakota. I've had some success with them at times. So hopefully this will fit. But looking at it I'm not real sure. But yeah, very cute jacket and I like the asymmetrical zip on it and even the neckline to it, that it's not like a fold over neckline. So I think this is unique. I don't have anything like it. Has that kind of faux suede feel to it. So we'll see if that fits, but that's super cute. Next up we had by Good Threads. This is a, hi, why does this seem so huge? It's a 25 short, which is my style, but these seem just bigger than I usually wear, so I'm not quite sure what the deal is with these, but we'll see what they look like when they get on, and they are short, just a clean burgundy pant, so I'm a little concerned about the fit of that, but we'll see. We might all have a good laugh. Okay, here we go. This, ooh, aren't you pretty? This is a lace top, so it's lace in the top half. Let's see how far that goes down. Okay, just want to make sure the ladies are going to be covered. Lace balloonish half sleeves, and that's just really pretty. So I would wear, you know, a black tank underneath this because as you can see there's no way to make bra straps invisible, either that or a clear strap. So I'll probably try this on with a clear strap so you guys can see it, but would end up wearing it with a tank top. The brand of this is BB Dakota, so I really like this. Next up we have a pair of Johns. These are by Jessica Simpson. Okay, I've never really tried Jessica Simpson before. They say soft sculpt on there, super soft, super stretch, super flattering, so that's cool. Forever rolled ankle. It's not rolled up right now, but you can see a crease of where they were rolled. It's weird that they're called rolled, but it's not like sewed that way, so that's a little strange, but I'm gonna go ahead and roll these because let's be honest, we know I'm gonna need to in the try-on anyways. So I don't see anything that calls these petite or short, so most likely it's gonna get a lot more roll than that, but super cute, super clean. I love the coloring of them. I love a beautiful darker wash. So very excited to try those. Okay, it took me a while to figure out which way was up. So this is interesting. It's half like a faux suede material and then a half cottony material. So that's very interesting. And so the back is kind of the faux suede, and then the front is the cottony. And then there's a zip up the front and kind of this slouchy neck. So very, very cute, very unique. Excited to try that. This is Dorothy. If you heard some meowing, it was her walking around wanting a little bit of attention. She does not enjoy being picked up, so this will be fast. Oh, yep, she wants down. Okay, then we have by Find, I think. It is a metallic flat, and I thought those were really cute, a ballet flat. Not a lot of support inside, but you know, ballet flats aren't exactly known for their foot support. But those are cute. Very different than any other flats that I have. Then I think the brand is Chinese Laundry. It's an interesting brand name. And it is a booty and a slip-on booty. There's no zipper or anything like that. And it's got this tie on the top. So that's unique and cute. And it's a rounded toe. This is my kind of booty. I like it. So, all right, I'm loving everything so far. I can't wait to get these pieces on. So let's do it. Okay, so the entirety of this box is really split into 2 outfits. So I split up the items, and this is outfit number 1, and I am wearing 4 of the pieces. Sorry, so you can make sure you can see the shoes on as well. So let's just start at the top. The jacket is cute. It's a little bit big in the shoulders, not too bad. Not a perfect fit. I don't know that there's a lot happening here, and it's cute and drapey, and I think I'd probably love it on somebody else, but on me, I'm just kind of eh. Oh, here's the back of it, because remember, it's kind of that faux leather material. You can hear that. So there you go. I like it. It's just not a great love of mine. Now let's unzip it. You can also hang it open, but I actually like that less because then there's a ton of material there. So it's okay. Now let's move on. This top I really like. I wish it was a different color, which actually, now that I think about it, I might actually go to Amazon and see if I can get a different color, because I don't know what, it's almost flesh toned a little bit. I don't know. So, but I like this. This is cute here, the ring and then the cutout. I think that's super cute, and it tucks well into a pair of pants like this. So this is just dependent on price and if there's other colors available. Now the jeans fit really well. I do have a single cuff on them, as the name of them suggests, and so I do have a single cuff, and it's a great length. It looks super cute with a pair of flats. So I like these. I'm not sure they're a wonderful perfect fit, but I like them a lot. So again, probably a matter of if the price is right on these. But I like them. I wish they were a high waist. They're definitely more of a medium rise, but very, very cute. And then the flats. Now, I struggle with dressy flats. Now I wear them to work a lot, but I have to find pairs that don't like dig into the back of my ankle, because I don't know, that's a recurring issue with me, and just lots of shoes where even certain tennis shoes, I wear socks that kind of have that extra lip here on the back, running socks, and do that to protect the back of my ankle, because it's pokey or something. I don't know what's wrong with the back of my ankle, but it gets rubbed on a lot. So, okay, so great first outfit. I like all the pieces. The jacket kind of was it, but the rest of this I really, really like. So let's go ahead and get outfit number 2 on. Okay, next up we have outfit number 2 with the jacket zipped up. So here you go. Here's the jacket. I like it. I'm not sure I'm in love with the style. I almost feel like I'm in a futuristic movie or something like that with this. So I like it. It's a pretty good fit. Sleeves are a little bit long, but the rest of it is actually, the bodice of it's actually a really good fit. He has pockets, which is nice. So I think that's cute. It's look at it. Open. There you go. Open. I don't know. I don't like it as much because it just makes it start to look big. So not really my cup of tea, but I'm glad I got to try it. Now, the lace top. As soon as I saw this, pulled it out of the box, I thought of Barbara at BC Sal's. This seems like her kind of top, and frankly my kind of top too. I love a good lace top, and I love the black, and I think it's really pretty. It does have kind of a half balloonish sleeve, but that doesn't really bother me. And I do have a clear strap bra on right now, so, and I feel like it's pretty hidden, so I would feel comfortable wearing a regular bra with this, just with the clear strap. So this, I think, is gonna end up being a keeper for sure. I like it a lot. Now, let's move down to the pants, shall we? These are just huge. They're just huge. As I pull them out, I was like, what? So, you know, I should have looked inside the pants. I mean, these were supposed to be my size 25, and I pulled them out and could tell they looked huge. Now, this is Good Threads. This is the Amazon brand, but I'm just trying to figure out what the heck is going on and why these seem 4 or 5 sizes too big. So these are obviously not keepers. They are a good length though. I could wear a flat with them and have them completely unrolled. So I think they're shorts, so that's nice. They're a good length, but it's just, yeah, there's a lot happening here and none of it's good. Last, we have the booties. Now, I feel like these are Jen booties. These are something I would like. I like the heel. It's got a rounded toe to it. So these are 100% my style. I just don't know if I need them. I've got a couple pairs of black booties, and the question is, how many pairs does one girl need? So again, if it's like 20 bucks, I might get them, but I really just don't need them. So, but super cute, like them. Okay, so that is outfit number 2. Now let's go over prices and decide what to keep. Okay, so let's go over prices here. First off, we have the Guess Women's Long Sleeve Shawn Ring Top. The color, they call it, is Classic Camel. Camel, not camel. And it is $40.81. I liked it, but I didn't really care for the color, so I may look at other colors and then even see if maybe I can get a better price, because I'm not sure I $40 liked it either. But definite contender if I can find a little bit cheaper and find it in a different color. So then we have the Jessica Simpson's Women's Forever Roll Cup Skinny Crop, and it is $37.95, which is actually a really great price. So I'm actually leaning towards keeping these. I don't have a lot in this color, and I really like it, and I like kind of, it's a little bit of a straight leg and comfy, very comfy, because I think it's a little bit loose on me, but it's like I've got so many skinnies that are not loose that it's nice to have a little something I can breathe in. So I like it. Then we have, so those were from outfit 1. From outfit 2, we have the Good Threads Women High Rise Skinny Jean, and $40. So I looked at the tag, it says 25, it says my size. So I would guess it's mislabeled in here, which is why it got sent to me, because there's no way. There's no way. So not keeping these for obvious reasons. And honestly, I don't know, you know, even if they did fit, I'm not sure I'd be like over the moon for them. So they were fine, and you know, other than being huge. Okay, then we have, this is Amazon brand Find. Okay, I didn't know that was Amazon. And this is the Simple Women's Closed Toe Ballet Flats. These are $31. I think they're super cute. They weren't the world's most comfortable thing. I did feel it a little bit here, which is not necessarily a deal breaker, but I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna keep. Okay, then we have the last piece of outfit 1, and this is by Blank NYC. This is the women's faux leather and knit jacket, and it is $41.34. You guys know I wasn't a huge fan. It was just a lot of fabric, a lot of things going on here, and I really didn't think I would reach for it, but so that's not going to be a keeper. Then we have the BB Dakota Juniors Icing Puff Sleeve Lace Top, and it is $44.20. So it's a juniors, and it's an extra small, and somehow it was still slightly big on me, but really, really think it's cute. So I think that one's for sure gonna stay here. Then we have the Chinese Laundry Women's Bailey Boot, and this is $23.14. This is actually, is that the cheapest thing in the box? Cheapest thing in the box. What do? Do I keep them? Don't need them. Do I keep them? I think I'm gonna keep them. I think those are gonna stay with me. Then finally we have Jack by BB Dakota Juniors. Here the stitch textured vegan leather mock neck jacket, and this is $42.24. I thought it was cute. It's juniors, extra small, so I think that's why, you know, it kind of fit me well, and I appreciate that they do send me some junior sizes because it does actually fit me better than the women's sizes. And it was cute, but I just wasn't in love with it. So, and I have other jackets, kind of this material and this color, so that's not like a huge need for me. And I only really liked it zipped up, and I don't tend to wear my jacket zipped up so much, so probably not gonna keep. So I'm leaning towards the booties and the black lace top, but I would love to hear you guys' opinions. Let me know what you think. Am I making good decisions with my life? What do you think? So, okay, that's it. That's another successful Prime wardrobe. I think this is like my favorite one because I liked getting the 2 outfits, and so I think I'll keep asking for that in my Prime wardrobe boxes. So if you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. That greatly, greatly helps me. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.